Join me as I dive deep into the mystery of KWN stock and try to uncover what's really going on behind the scenes. KWN stock, also known as Kinross Gold Corporation, is a gold mining company that's been making waves in the market lately. With gold prices fluctuating and the global economy in a state of flux, it's no wonder investors are keeping a close eye on this stock. But what's really driving KWN's performance, and what are the potential risks and rewards? One of the biggest challenges facing KWN stock is the volatility of the gold market. Gold prices can swing wildly in response to changes in global economic conditions, interest rates, and even currency fluctuations. This can make it tough for investors to predict the stock's future trajectory. Additionally, Kinross Gold Corporation has faced some controversies in the past, including concerns over its environmental impact and labor practices. These issues can affect investor sentiment and, in turn, impact the stock's performance. The company's financial health is also a concern for investors. While Kinross Gold Corporation has shown resilience in the face of market challenges, its profitability can be hit by declining gold prices or rising production costs. Furthermore, there's the ever-present risk of regulatory changes or disruptions to its operations. What's more, some analysts have raised questions about the company's growth strategy and its ability to maintain its market share. Another challenge KWN stock faces is the increasing competition in the gold mining industry. With more players entering the market, Kinross Gold Corporation must continually adapt and innovate to stay ahead. That's a tall order, especially when you're operating in a sector as unpredictable as gold mining. Delving deeper into the factors influencing KWN stock, market trends play a significant role. The current trend towards sustainable investing has put pressure on gold mining companies to improve their environmental and social track records. Kinross Gold Corporation has made efforts in this area, but there's still work to be done. Company performance is also crucial, with investors closely watching metrics like production levels, costs, and revenue growth. Investor sentiment is another key factor. If investors are bullish on gold, they're more likely to invest in KWN stock. But if sentiment turns bearish, the stock can suffer. That's why it's essential to keep a close eye on market indicators and news that could impact gold prices. The company's recent quarterly earnings report showed some promising signs, with increased production levels and lower costs. However, the global economic landscape remains uncertain, and investors are advised to keep a close eye on market developments. Any significant changes in interest rates or economic conditions could have a ripple effect on KWN stock. Looking ahead, one critical insight that could impact KWN stock's future trajectory is its commitment to sustainability. The company has set ambitious targets to reduce its environmental impact and improve its social responsibility. If Kinross Gold Corporation can meet these targets, it could boost investor confidence and drive long-term growth. A turning point for KWN stock could come in the form of increased demand for gold. If global economic uncertainty continues to rise, investors may flock to safe haven assets like gold, driving up prices and, in turn, boosting KWN stock. Conversely, if gold prices fall, the stock could suffer. The ongoing shift towards sustainable investing is also a critical factor. If Kinross Gold Corporation can successfully navigate this trend, it could put the company in a strong position for long-term success. However, if it fails to adapt, it risks being left behind. In the short term, investors will be keeping a close eye on the company's upcoming earnings reports and any significant announcements. These could provide valuable insights into the company's performance and future prospects. To sum it up, KWN stock is a complex and intriguing investment opportunity. From market trends and company performance to investor sentiment and sustainability commitments, there are many factors at play. Understanding these dynamics is crucial for making informed investment decisions. If you've got thoughts on KWN stock or the gold mining industry in general, I'd love to hear them in the comments. Also, be sure to check out our video on the future of gold mining, trends to watch for more insights into the sector.